This is GoPro Hero13 Black. Hi, I'm Melissa, and with Chris we tested the new GoPro Hero13 for about a month. Known for its durability and compact design, GoPro cameras have been popular for years among outdoor enthusiasts and adrenaline seekers who want to document their experiences. In this latest version, GoPro has introduced new lenses, including ultra-wide, macro, and anamorphic options. While these additions are impressive and initially exciting, some users, myself included, may find that these lenses are not essential for everyday use and might struggle to find specific application for them. The GoPro Hero13 promises better battery performance and supports recording up to 5.3K resolution. One standout feature is the ability to capture ultra slow motion footage, a capability that previous GoPro models did not offer. The camera connects via USB-C cable, and its build is designed to withstand the rigors of action-packed filming, giving a solid and robust impression. While the design hasn't changed much compared to the GoPro Hero 12, the Hero 13 lacks the blue dots seen in the previous model. It remains compact, lightweight, and easy to handle. The Hero 13 features a 27-megapixel sensor with an 8:7 multi-aspect ratio. It supports a maximum video resolution of 5.3K at 60 fps and 4K at up to 120 fps, with 400 fps slow motion available at 720p. The rear 2.27-inch touch display and 2.4-inch front screen make it simple to monitor and frame your shots. Equipped with 1900 mAh battery, the Hero 13 allows up to 1.5 hours of high-resolution recording and is built to handle extreme temperature changes. However, this new battery isn't interchangeable with all the GoPro models, which might be a drawback for those upgrading from previous versions. The camera's image stabilization, HyperSmooth Pro, includes HDR recording and a new auto cinematic mode that adjusts shutter speed dynamically for optimal results. Connectivity options include USB-C 3.2, Wi-Fi 6 GHz, and Bluetooth 5.0, ensuring faster file transfer and connection. Operating the GoPro Hero 13 remains straightforward, similar to the Hero 12, with intuitive settings and a seamless connection to the app. Although the app connection can sometimes take a moment, but it's not a major issue. The app also offers the advantage of live view on your mobile device and the ability to download and edit footage directly. Another plus is the loud audio indicator that ensures you can hear if the camera stops recording even during intense activity. The camera stabilization is outstanding, maintaining clear shots even during significant moments. However, one really big disappointment that persists, at least for me, is the limited dynamic range, and this is an issue seen in older models too. Transitions from shadow to a bright sunlight or dark areas to bright environments still take a moment for the camera to adjust. Additionally, when shooting in a shadow with a bright sky in the background, the camera struggles to balance the exposure effectively. The GoPro Hero 13 is available at electronics retailers. While the camera performance and the video quality have not significantly improved compared to the Hero 12, its price of $400 to $500 is largely reflective of the brand name rather than the groundbreaking new features. And new competing action cameras have emerged on the market that really may outperform the Hero 13 in certain aspects. Therefore, unless you specifically need the new features offered by the Hero 13, upgrading from the older versions may not be necessary. For casual users who prioritize basic image recording over new features, the DJI Action 5 might be a more budget-friendly alternative. Personally, I don't see many compelling reasons to upgrade from the Hero 12 to the Hero 13, even with the added enhancements. What about you? Have you tried the new GoPro 13? If so, what do you think about it? Share your thoughts in the comments on Decoding Labs. We appreciate every new opinion. And don't miss our future videos. Subscribe for more tech news and updates. Bye!